Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about rotating and the flipping images using the sharp in Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the code for that one. Let me go and just paste this one. Okay, so let's add this. Which image you want to rotate and the flip, you have to mention this one. So any of the image. Okay, so this image I want to flip, right? Path to the output. So this is the path. Modified image. Save this. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. Flip the image vertically and flip the image horizontally. Okay, and to file output right over here. Image modified successfully, else there is something issue. Let's try to run this and image modify. Let's check where is image modified. So this is the image, and here you can see the image is flipped, right? Let's try to something over it also. So here we have a rotate to 45 degrees background we have added. Okay, let's take a look also, and the background is working in it or not. So I'm going to modify the rotate with this. Okay, let's have a look. So rotate with this. Okay, let's try to run and let's see image modify and what will happen. So it's modifying, and here you can see the color. Okay, the background color is added. Okay, so this is how you can flip the images horizontal, vertical, depends on to you, rotating and the flipping images using the sharp in the Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.